The JBL Control 281WH speaker is expertly engineered to provide a high-output audio experience suitable for both indoor and outdoor environments. With an impressive power handling capacity of 120 watts and a built-in 60-watt multi-tap transformer, this speaker is designed to meet the demands of challenging audio settings. Featuring an 8-inch woofer with a woven fiberglass cone and a 1-inch PEI diaphragm tweeter, it delivers rich, high-fidelity sound with a broad frequency response range from 45 Hz to 20 kHz. Its 100-degree by 100-degree consistent sound coverage ensures that every part of your space is filled with clear and immersive audio. The weather-resistant design and contemporary aesthetics make it a perfect fit for both residential and commercial installations, allowing for flexible and secure mounting options. Whether enhancing an indoor sound system or providing audio for an outdoor area, the JBL Control 281WH speaker offers versatile installation options and exceptional sound quality.